Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm delighted to help you become proficient in Excel with our easy-to-follow video tutorials. To begin, I'll demonstrate how to combine names in Excel by using this brief data table. Remember, the size of the table is not a restriction. You can work with lists that are much longer. You can save time and avoid tedious copying and pasting data piece by piece. Shall we get started? To begin, decide where the combined full name should be placed. Let's select cell D3 by clicking on it. To insert a function, click the button marked FX up here. Select the All category in the pop-up window, then locate the Concatenate function. Once you have found it, click OK to confirm. The Concatenate function allows you to combine up to 255 individual items into one single cell. Currently, Excel will only provide two fields, Text 1 and Text 2. You can enter the data to be combined here. Don't fret if your list contains more than two items to be combined. Once you begin entering data, 3 additional boxes will appear automatically after the last visible field. This pattern will continue until all data is entered. By using Excel, you can merge a maximum of 255 different items. This is how you can get started with the first one. Consider the structure of the merged text. The desired format for the merged full name is the first name, followed by a single space, and then the family, or last name. The first name should be entered into the Text 1 field. To do this, click on cell B3, which contains the first name. Fantastic! To ensure the first name and family name are separated by a single space, click into the Text 2 field and press the spacebar. When we click into the field Text 3, Excel will encode a single space into the necessary form, which can be seen as being enclosed in double quotation marks. The same approach would apply to a dash, colon, or any other character. We'll leave field 2 with a single space and proceed. Select cell C3 in the box labelled Text 3 and enter the family name. By examining the area directly beneath the text fields, you can observe how the text is being merged and verify its ultimate composition. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click OK to finish. Well done! We have merged the names from the list without the need for manual rewriting or pasting. If you wish to continue combining the remaining names on the list, you don't need to re-enter the function and reference the data in each row. To populate the rest of the rows with the same formula, simply select the cell containing the function and drag the bottom right-hand corner of the cell with your mouse. By doing this, you can join all the names on the list together. Before we conclude, there is one more thing to keep in mind. To modify the information on the list, you must alter the source cells that the formula refers to. When you click on a cell with the combined names, you'll notice that the target cell doesn't actually contain the full name, but rather the function referenced to other cells in the table and a single space that was included in the second field. If you need to modify a combination of data, you must begin by making the changes to the original source cell before proceeding. If we need to replace Michaela with John, we can do so by altering the text in cell B3. The combined names will be reflected in cell D3. If you found this tutorial helpful, why not show us some love and subscribe to our channel? Sheet Leveler has plenty of video tutorials to help you learn Excel like a boss in a snap. Join the Sheet Leveler today and start your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.